Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you save and download video from Pictory AI. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Pictory AI on your browser. So go to your browser and just go to their site and make sure you're logged into your account. So you can just create your account with your Google account itself. So once you have logged into your account, so when you get to your home screen here, so you know Pictory, with Pictory you can easily make videos out of your text. So this is the screen that you will see. So first, if you want to download or if you to download a video, you need to first create a video. So for that, so what you can do, you can, for example, I'll just simply show you a quick example. For example, I want to create a video from a script. So I'll just click on this first option here, script to video. So I'm going to now type in my script here, or probably or copy from a, I'll just copy rather than typing. So I'll just use this, just a random text. So I'll just use this. Okay, I'm just gonna copy that, and then I'm gonna paste it here. Right, click on paste from clipboard. All right, so that's it. So I'm going to use this and then convert this to a video. So click on proceed. All right, so once you have pasted, click on proceed, and then just there's heaps of templates here, so you can choose anything that any one of these that you like. So I'll just choose probably this one. uh, yeah, probably this is fine. I'll just select that and then choose the aspect ratio for your video. 69 is fine, so I'll just choose that, and this is now going to generate the video. All right, so this is going to take some time, and it's going to now generating the video. All right, so now your video has been created. So this is the rough video. It's been created. So what you can do, you can always if you want to edit this, you can always do your editing here. So you can you have your scenes here and everything, so you can do all the editing. If you want to trim it, just click on it, trim it. Or you want to add a voiceover, you can have all the options here. Click on add a voice over, and then on the left panel here you have more editing tools here, so you can edit your generated video up to, and you can just customize it based on your needs. So once you're done everything with it, so if you look at this, what happens is that Pictory AI auto saves whatever changes that you make to a video. For example, if I change something on it here, let's say if I make a change here, all right. So as you can see, it's saving the changes. So by default, it auto saves any changes or edits that you make to the video. So which is a quite a cool stuff, because you don't really have to save anything. So it auto saves stuff. And then once you're done and everything, so once you're done with all your customization and editing, so as you can see, it's saved now. So it's automatically saved. So next, if you want to download it, all you have to do is just click on this download option here. So if you go to this download option, you can click on download, and you can click on the video option here. So this will now processing the video for you to download. So it's now reprocessing, and then it will generate your video, so which you can just download. All right, so once the video has been processed, now it's now all ready to download. So all you have to do now, if you need it as a link, you can click on copy link, or if you want to download it, you just have to click on download option, and it should download on your computer. So that's it. So it's being downloaded. My video is being downloaded. So that's pretty much it is. So hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.